Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Are you looking to learn how to trade futures? Free live training? Well, look no further. If you go to spymoneyllc.com and then click on webinars at the top, you can register for our webinars that we have throughout the week. This week we're having 4 webinars. In those webinars, if you join and you are part of it, you will receive special discount codes in order to save money on any of our products that we discuss in the webinar. It's no obligation. You don't have to buy anything. You can just sit back, eat your popcorn, get your drink, and just watch and learn how to trade. It's how I use the charts to trade for myself and how I make money with it, and I want to share that information with you. Again, if you decide to use any of the products that we use within our webinar, then you can receive a special discount code. That discount code only works for the people that join, though. So make sure you join and use the discount code. And if you have questions, you can always ask them, and it's interactive to where I can answer your questions live as we're trading and go from there. So again, go to webinar. You click on whichever one you want. This one's December 17th, December 16th, and so forth. Every week we're going to change these, so just make sure you always come back and check the webinar page and sign up for the one you want. There will be a reminder sent out to you that the webinar is going to happen. You can sign up for every one of these if you want. You don't have to just do one. It will show different webinars throughout the week as far as different training, different ways to make money. And hopefully it'll help you. Let's get in this together. We'll all start learning, and hopefully all of us will be better traders. Having questions, you can go right up here to the contact page. Click on that. Fill this information out. Any questions you may have. If you need to talk to me, just leave your phone number as well, and put down here that you would like a return call. And I will do my best to go ahead and get to you really quick. I am the one that answers all of these. No one else does it for me, so if you send this, I get it. And let me know what I can do to help. We've got other products up here. If you're a Ninja Trader platform, you click on that. It'll show all of our products that we have for that. Ninja Trader's a good platform to use, and we have a lot of different indicators and also some courses that you can take in order to learn how to trade better. I say probably this is our most popular. This is probably the most popular thing that we sell is the Ranger Indicator and the SpotBot Mover together. Another course that we sell that is good for trading is how to trade the 2-step and the SpotBot Mover. The SpotBot Mover is very important to have on your charts in order to know the direction a little better. The SpotBot Ranger does not have, it's an indicator, but it's not a lagging indicator. This one goes off support and resistance zones, fibs, a lot of different things. So your Ranger, if you're looking for one solid indicator, it'd be hard to choose, but between the Ranger and the Mover, I would go with the Ranger all day long. And then the SpotBot Mover is definitely a must to learn how to make more money with the Ranger. So indicators, these are my favorite. And I have a lot of good ones. The Profit Finder bars are really good. And we have the bars and the indicator together. That's probably my second favorite. But let me know what I can do to help you, and we will get started. There's going to be a training tonight. Make sure you register for it. And that one will be right here, December 14th. So we'll be training tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. All of these are Eastern Standard Time. They're 8 p.m. every night. Who knows? Maybe we'll make some live trades. And 8 p.m. is when the Australia market opens. And sometimes we'll be in a trade, either be in a trade or we will be making a trade. No guarantee. We don't trade unless the chart shows that the trade is there. So let me know what I can do to help you, and I hope to see you in the webinars.